This is like a video, Dad.
A video?
A wedding video.
Okay. Hi, everybody. I'm glad the wedding's happening.
She is really taking a video.
Is she really?
Hi, Charlotte.
Hi, Charlotte. Hi, Brooklyn.
Says hi too.
Brooklyn got all her wedding toys.
And bye-bye, everyone.
Here we are outside. Just blew up this pool from my cousin Christy, which was a really nice gift. And Char's pretty pumped about it. Brookie's hanging out. Daddy's doing the water for the slide over there.
Gotta get a sprinkler too.
Fun. Brooklyn just got sprayed with water. It's so upsetting.
Terrible.
It's really sad. But most of the time she's having fun.
It's okay, Brookie.
I'm so glad I'm ready.
You're alright, baby.
It's gonna be okay, Brooklyn. It's okay, honey. It's okay. We love you. Woo!
I know. How could I do that to you? I know. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking.
We're making cookies today. We just did the sugar,
What else did we put in so far?
powder, and sugar and powder and egg.
What's the powder? Is it flour?
We got flour,
And oatmeal, right?
oatmeal,
And we put in sugar and butter and egg, right?
yeah. And right now we are mixing it.
Good job, Char.
Do you want to see?
You
Here's
gotta
the
turn it like this.
mixer. Here you go. Do you want to see that we're mixing?
We're gonna mix everything in, and then at the end we're gonna put in what else? One more ingredient.
Chocolate chips.
Mm-hmm. And then we'll have what?
Cookies.
Cookies! Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. All right, let's pour in the rest of the flour.
Mama, now can you mix?
I can mix, yep.
I'm tired using that hand.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of mixing. What is mix? When is the chocolate chippy whippy doos? Are we almost done, Mom?
We have to kind of make this more into dough first. We gotta try to get some of this flour stirred in there. Make it more into dough. And then we can put the chocolate chips in.
When it's brown,
Mm-hmm.
when it comes back to brown again. Here's the chocolate chips.
Yum, 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 yum,
Here's our mixing bowl.
Yep.
And now Mommy's mixing.
Now I'm mixing. All right, I think you can dump them in now. Go ahead. I'm gonna wash my hands one more time so I can use my hands a little bit. And mix.
So I dumped the whole bag, Mom.
That's good. All right,
Now it's time to mix.
stir it up.
Stir, 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 stir along with me. Stir, 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 stir along with me. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir.
Good job, Char. I like your
Stir,
song.
stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir.
All right. Are we all done?
No?
Then we gotta make them into balls.
Hi, my name is Charlotte, and we are going to put the cookies on the tray.
Okay, show everybody how you put cookies on the tray. You make them into balls, right?
Yeah, make them into balls.
Okay.
There we go. One ball.
Can I help too?
Sure, you can get the balls for me, okay?
Okay. Now I think we have to put them a little bit further away. They're a little bit close right now. So can you separate them a little bit? There's your next one. Not so close together, or they won't be able to become cookies. You gotta separate them, put them further apart. Okay?
Now they're further apart.
Yeah.
I want to put some in the middle.
Okay.
Is that okay? Because there is some space.
What do you guys think? A little close together? We're gonna have to separate them, Charlotte.